Introducing effortless home cooking with a smart rice cooker designed for modern lifestyles. Designed to simplify meals, this cooker blends technology, convenience, and everyday reliability. Compact yet powerful, it fits seamlessly into kitchens of any size. One-touch controls make perfectly cooked rice achievable, even for busy beginners. Advanced heating technology ensures evenly cooked grains with consistent texture every time. Precision sensors automatically adjust cooking for fluffy, restaurant-quality results at home. Beyond rice, it prepares grains, soups, and steamed meals effortlessly. Thoughtful design keeps cleanup fast, simple, and stress-free after meals. Durable materials promise long-lasting performance for daily cooking routines. Minimalist styling complements modern interiors without overpowering your kitchen aesthetic. Quiet operation lets you cook while working, relaxing, or entertaining guests. Automatic warming keeps rice fresh until you are ready to serve. Every batch delivers consistent flavor, texture, and aroma families appreciate. Portion-friendly capacity suits singles, couples, and small families equally well. Energy-efficient performance supports sustainable cooking without sacrificing everyday convenience. Toshiba engineering brings trusted quality into your daily home cooking routine. Perfect for busy professionals seeking reliable meals with minimal effort. Intuitive design removes guesswork, delivering confidence to every home cook. From preparation to serving, every step feels refined and dependable. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a rice cooker built for everyday excellence.